Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the Process32 First function. So the Process32 First function basically retrieves information about the first process encountered in the snapshot that we have gotten from Create Tool Help 32 snapshot. Okay, so take note that this is only the first process encountered. Okay, so to use the Process32 First function, we need two parameters. Okay, so the first parameter is hProcessSnap, which is the handle that we got from Create Tool Help 32 Snapshot. Okay, then the next one is PE32 process entry structure. So what is process entry 32 structure? So process entry 32 structure basically is a entry from a list of processes residing in the system address when the snapshot was taken. Okay, so this contains the size of the structure, contains the process ID structure, and this also contains the modules and the name of the process and etc. Okay, so this PE32 structure is used so that we can store the data that we got from the function process32 first. Okay, so we can save project, so build all errors, and if we run, there should not be any test.exe, and there are no issues. Okay, so in the next video, we will be talking about on how to output to the screen the process name and process ID. Okay, so I hope to see you again next.